Look at that view. Isn't that gorgeous? Just need a second to catch my breath. What is up, guys? My name is Rafal, and today I'm gonna be talking about a camera bag that just might be your choice for 2019. Okay, so obviously when you are traveling, it's important to have a camera bag that can hold all of your gear and most importantly, keep it safe. Now, a company called Endurax recently reached out to me and asked me to review 2 of their camera bags, to which I replied, yes! So in this video, I'm gonna be reviewing the largest bag they have. The first thing I noticed about this bag is that it can hold everything I need when I am traveling. It can hold my camera, all my lenses, my batteries, my chargers, and my drone, along with all of the accessories, which is super important to me because honestly, I never know what I'm gonna be using whenever I'm traveling. So it's important to have everything I can carry. And this bag carries it all. All right, so let's get into the details of this bag. One of the cool things about this bag are the little rubber feet on the bottom of it that help keep it upright wherever you go. The second thing about this bag are all the compartments. This bag has a ton of them, including a cool side compartment for your laptop. This top compartment right here has a hard shell on top to protect whatever you put inside. I use it to hold anything I might need quick access to, like GoPro accessories or microphones. Okay, so up here at this top compartment, I hold everything regarding my camera. I hold the camera itself, the lenses, the cleaning kit, the ND filters, batteries, whatever I need for my camera. The one thing about this compartment is that I gotta hold my batteries at the bottom portion of it because if they're too high up, they're just gonna fall out as I'm walking. This cool pouch right here allows you to hold anything small like extra propellers for your drone, your SD card holder, your SD card reader. And check this out. When you first get this bag, you get a rain cover with it. Cue epic B-roll. When you first get this bag, this lower compartment comes with an even smaller bag that you can use for an easier travel experience. It's perfect for when you just need to hold a camera and an extra lens. Once you take that bag out, there are more dividers waiting for you to customize this lower compartment. I use it to hold my drone, batteries, and microphones. A huge plus for me with this bag is that it is deep enough to put my drone in vertically, which is a huge space saver. Here on the sides, you have straps that are meant to hold tripods. You also have a cool ID holder, a water bottle pouch. On the other side, you can see I'm using it to hold my Tech. And down here, tucked away, there's a cool tripod foot that you can use to put your feet in. And it also tucks down here into the bottom so that it maintains a clean look. Now, the one thing about these side straps is that they don't click. They only loosen or tighten, which means you need to take your tripod and slip it through instead of just wrapping your straps around and clicking it. And another thing is that my tripod, which is a travel tripod, it's too small to actually fit on the side here, which means I need to resort to using these clicky, strappy thingies. That's what I said. I need to resort to using these straps to click it inside, which isn't a big deal, but the only inconvenience is that I have to take this tripod out before I can access anything in this compartment. Again, it's something I'll live with, but it would have been nice to actually put it in the side here. Now, the one final thing I have to say about this bag, and this is being nitpicky, and I'm spoiled by Lowepro because of this, but I just wish that this bag could open from the back. This makes it a lot harder for thieves to get into your bag if you're in a busy area or if you're in a touristy area. Now, you could add an extra layer of security by taking the rain cover and wrapping it around the front, but it would have just been nice if the entire bag opened from the back. Okay, so at the end of the day, would I recommend this bag to anyone looking to invest? Absolutely. This bag is beefy. It holds a ton. It'll definitely hold everything you need when you are traveling. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, if you like this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button. A like and a comment won't hurt either. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.